I'm a photographer, I specialise in agriculture. I've taken aerial photos since about 1988, and when drones got to the point where the cameras were good enough for me to use, I went and bought one and off I went. And it's a bit weird being a role model, but I know I actually get young girls, for example, after I do a presentation, come up and go, oh wow, they really need to see other women doing it. They need to see women on the stage. So one of my things is encouraging other women to step up and apply to speak. And the women are, oh, I'm not good enough, and na. You've just got to go and give it a crack. Because my career, I've had to reinvent myself a number of times, and it's sort of all along the same themes, but I know now I've seen so much change already that I'm not afraid of change anymore, because I know, oh, I've dealt with that. The beauty of getting older is you're not frightened of change. So I don't actually even think about it now. Something else will come and I'll have a new idea. I always head for gaps in the market, and once other people jump on board, then I'll sort of go off and find another gap to address. So it's exciting, I don't know, and I actually like that.